This is about the reality of the incident. So today at around 11:30 am at the entrance of Chandrawada village, it was observed that one procession of around 250 to 300 members, which was being led by Mr. Alapati Rajendra. He was this procession which was travelling in the opposite direction to the Padyatra, in the opposite route. So police which were moving in the front of the real procession, the real Mahapadyatra that was going on, observed this procession, and they saw that there is no permission to any other procession at that time, at that place, on that route. So in this situation, the police persons in the front of the Padyatra, they requested the people in the procession, Mr. Alapati Raju, to not mingle with the original Padyatra, which was being conducted lawfully as per the directions of Honorable AP High Court and DGP Andhra Pradesh, and also dispersed, so that the model code of conduct which is in place by State Election Commission and Central Election Commission in view of the local body elections and also the NLC elections which are going on, and the whole district is also under model code of conduct. And then rope parties were deployed. Ropes were used to restrain this unlawful procession. This was also not adhered to. The procession, the members of the procession pushed the pushed the policemen who were trying to control this unlawful procession, and they even grabbed the hand of one of the police officers and pushed and dragged him. In this situation, one of the police officers has used his lathi. He swayed the lathi in the front of the procession to disperse this unlawful procession, and not peacefully trying to just control the procession using ropes, but they are overpowering. See how they are manhandling the circle inspector, how he is being manhandled and pushed down. This is one of the politicians. He is a member of the TDP Politburo, and in violation of Model Code of Conduct, he is participating. He is conducting an unlawful procession in this place where he has not taken any advance permission. Here, one person is also seen to be trying to grab the radio set from the hands of the circle inspector. Please continue. Some of the members of the procession are also carrying sticks, which is totally in violation of any sort of permission that has been granted. Seven persons who have been granted permission by the Honorable High Court to participate in this procession. This list was submitted by the Amravati Parivakshan Samiti on their own, and none of the people in this video are part of this list. Hence, this procession is totally illegal and unlawful.